guys, it's me, Mia, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back, and I'm here with my mom, and I'm in the kitchen. I don't want to show you guys anything yet, but in my last video, I told all you guys that, we were making Oreo Frappuccinos, and my mom came in with loads of the cool stuff, so we're going to show you guys right now. In 3, 2, 1, hold on. And I'm right here, and we have the first surprise of the day. We got a new dryer. That's actually meant to go in there, as I told you guys that we needed a new one. So let's just get to the rest of the stuff. So I'm right here in my living room. You guys have seen it before. Oh, I got some new stuff. We got a mat. We did the monster mat. I don't even know what I'm saying. Hey, Mom. Mom, I was just like, hang on. Mom, I was just filming and I go, we got a mat, and that gives me like months. Yeah, so guys, in the next video I'll be doing the Monster Mat song, so better check that out. But anyway, we got a mat, and you can come on the top of the thing. Zane took it out and I asked him not to. But anyway. I asked him to wait, but he was like, I can't wait. We have like, oh my god, we only had 3 minutes to film. Dang. Darn. So we're just gonna better get to it quickly. Bailey's Coal Interior, I don't even know what that is. We got like fragrance stuff, I didn't even know. We have 3 minutes to film. No. Okay. Oh, we got new pillows. This match our rug. Oh, darn. I nearly fell off the couch. I only have like 3 minutes to film because my phone in the kitchen. Hold on. I'll see you guys when I have it out. Guys, we got it out. It's over there. Just gonna get to it quickly.
Nice, isn't it?
And I will do a part 2, I promise.
See, these pieces have to be flattened out. These pieces here.
This, I think it's quilt covers.
Mommy,
yeah.
Look at this. This is Ninja.
I take off my shoes, hang on. So guys, I took off my shoes. Gotta go quick. Nothing in that. Something in this. That's just parents. There's like pillows and stuff like that in there. And then like other stuff. But that'll be today's video, guys. That'll be the second video of today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't be mean to anybody. Not that you are mean to anybody, but just be nice to everybody. So that'll be today's video, guys. I hope you had a great time, and I certainly had a great time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.